Are you one of those people who's irritated by the fact that for some reason you can't disable the case fan on your Centauri Carbon while you're printing? Well, I was, and here's a circuit I developed to solve that little problem. Here are some of the cables and connectors that I'm using to connect our new circuit to the Centauri Carbon's main board. Follow along in the circuit diagram above as I connect all the individual components to the prototype board. Please note that you will need to use 24 gauge wire for the fan circuit. Also note that the negative out on the Mini 360 buck converter will remain unconnected in this configuration. Keen observers will note that I'm using a switch with more poles than is necessary. You may use a 2-pole switch if you like. The optional LED is very useful to know whether the circuit is powered. Here we have connected our new circuit to the Centauri Carbon's main board. Our first connection is to the serial header on the Centauri Carbon's main board. We are only using the ground from this, as this is a common system ground. And we are also connected to the box F header, which originally goes directly to the case fan. Now it's going through our circuit and then out again through the original box F cable. Next, we set the voltage via the DC to DC converter's trim pot. Now, this should not be done directly on the printer, so don't do like I'm doing. Use a dedicated power supply to set this initially. Otherwise, you may cause damage to your printer if any slips occur. I'm choosing to underdrive my fan in this situation to make it a little bit quieter. Don't go much below 19 volts, otherwise you may reduce the lifespan of your fan. Now that we've got our buck converter voltage set where we want it, let's move on to testing this thing. As you can see, the case fan is off in the user interface, but as I turn it on, the fan turns on. So this shows that the firmware still has control of the fan, but I'm about ready to take that away here. As you can see, with the switch off and the firmware still on, the fan has stopped. So we've done it. This allows us to have both a quieter case fan as well as turn it off if we would like to print filaments that require a higher temperature in the chamber, because the case fan definitely prevents buildup of heat in the chamber. Check the description for bill of materials and circuit diagram. If you'd like me to cover more of this in the future, please let me know in the comments below, or if you saw any glaring mistakes, also please let me know. If you found this content useful, please like and subscribe. Thank you.